Hey students, earlier I have explained you scene 1 of this chapter, Something from Nothing, in which there were characters like Gabriel, Zohar and Mika. Gabriel was a hard-working tailor, Zohar was his wife and Mika was his daughter. So in scene 1 we read that Gabriel brought up beautiful pink colored fabric for Mika, and he made a beautiful shawl for his daughter. She loved it so much, and then she got that shawl torn after 2 years, and then Gabriel made made an apron out of that shawl, and again Mika became so happy, and her mother Zohar started singing and expressing that how much their daughter loves the apron made by her father. And later again, after 2 years of using apron, she showed her torn apron to her mother and father. Zohar wanted to throw that apron. She said that you have used it enough, but Gabriel said, and Mika was also not ready to throw that apron. Then Gabriel said that I can make something out of it, and he made a beautiful pair of socks. Again Mika became so happy, and she loved the socks and she enjoyed it. So this is all about scene 1. In scene 2, as in scene 1 we left where Mika was loving the socks and Zohar was expressing that how much their daughter loved the socks. In scene 2 again Mika bought the socks after when it got torn to her to show to her mother father. And Zohar again, after seeing the torn socks, she wanted to throw them because it is of no use. Now Mika again was not ready to throw the socks because Abba made her father had made it for her. And now Gabriel again said that let me see what I can make out of them, if I can make something from them. But this time Zohar and Mika, they were eagerly waiting that yes, as Abba had made apron out of that torn shawl and socks out of that torn apron, they again had expectation from the Gabriel that he will certainly make something best out of nothing, means something from that waste socks. But this time Gabriel was not able to make anything from out of that torn socks. And as he told this thing to both Zohar and Mika, began to weep, began to cry. She became so upset. But Zohar explained her that do not worry beta, because you earlier you had used that fabric as a shawl, then apron, then your father made socks, that also he made something from nothing, na. But so it doesn't matter that if now it will not if now he cannot make anything from it because there is no scope. But you should remember that how much you loved the beautiful pair of socks, how much you love the shawl, how much you love the apron, and remembering the good times which you had with that loving fabric, you should write a song, okay, about the cherry blossom cloth. Cherry blossom is a Japanese flower which is beautiful and it's pink in color. Zohar and Gabriel compared that cloth with that fabric with that cherry blossom flower because it is of similar color. So Gabriel and Zohar had given a notepad and a pencil to their daughter to write a song about the fabric. So she beautifully wrote a song, and she again became happy after writing that song. You can read this passage. Abba made me a lovely shawl, a lovely shawl. It didn't have one good stitch left at all, left at all. Abba made me an apron small, an apron small. Something from nothing, remember you all, remember you all. As the chapter name says, as the chapter title says, something from nothing. Because when the shawl was torn, and there was no hope that they can make something from that torn shawl because it is of no use. So Gabriel had made a beautiful apron out of it. And then when the apron was also torn, again there was no hope that something can be made from that torn apron. Again Gabriel had proved that we can make something from nothing. So we should not lose hope, and we should try, we should search some ways how we can reuse some things and how we can make best out of waste. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.